So, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve two keys keyboard problem. So basically, there is only one character A on screen on the notepad. You can perform one of the two operations on this notepad. Each step, copy all. Basically, copy whatever content currently displayed on a notepad. No partial copy is allowed. You have to copy entire text, and the second operation is to paste. You can paste the characters which you have copied last time. You are given integer n. Return the minimum number of operation to get character A exactly n times. So we have to calculate the minimum step, right? We have two options, either copy or paste. If you are going to copy now, okay, so let's go step by step from very basic. Currently you have only one character. You are going to check first if n is equal to 1. If yes, straightforward return 0, right? If not, I can certainly say I have to copy particular character and I have to paste at least one time. If n is not 1, I have to copy and paste at least one time, right? So if you copy, you have to paste it, right? So if you are not pasting, what is the purpose of copying it, right? This is one thing. And let's suppose I am maintaining two variables here, clip, which is containing clipboard, and second current, which is the current text displayed on my notepad. Is it clear, right? So whenever I copy, my clipboard will become same as current, and if I have copied, I am certainly going to paste, right? And if I am going to paste, my current length will become twice what it was before. Why? Since I already had current, and since I have already done copy, so now my new clipboard become same as current, right? So I am pasting the current after current, so basically it is 2 times current. Clear? There may be another case. I am only pasting the text which I had previously in my clipboard, right? So in this case, my clipboard is not changing, but my current length is increased by whatever character are currently present in my clipboard, right? So this is the simple thing we are going to do. This is simple dynamic programming approach we are going to take. Simply, what I am going to do is, if n is equal to 1, return straightforward 0, since first character is already displayed on the particular notepad. So now let's take this particular dp vector memoization we are going to do, right? And I am calling 1 plus recursion of 1 1. If n is not 1, as I already told, we have to at least copy one time and at least paste one time, right? See, let's take the minimum value 2. For making 2, we have to first copy and then we have to paste. right? So for copying, one operation will always be there, right? So I am taking one, which this one is for copying, and I have copied the text. So I am going to, so my clip value of clip variable will become 1. The clip variable will contain the character which currently I am accumulating in my clipboard. Number of character I am currently accumulating in my clipboard. Current is the number of characters displayed on my notepad, right? So I am calling the recursion for a clipboard which is consisting of one character, and current which is also one character. The total is n. We have to reach to the n. The total is n, and the dp to store our intermediate results, so we don't have to recalculate it, right? So we are checking if anytime our current become same as total, this is our answer, just return it, return 0. Else there may be a case current is greater than total. In this particular case I am going to return int max by 2. Why I am returning int max by 2? I am returning int max by 2 to avoid overflow condition. Suppose this particular recursion had returned me int max. Suppose it had returned me int max. Int max plus 1 will cause overflow, right? To avoid overflow, I am doing this particular one, int max by 2 I am returning, right? So you can take a variable, constant variable, let's say inf, assign it some big value, let's say 1e9. So I can simply return 1e9 in that particular case, right? But since I am not using, I am simply returning int max by 2, right? And we are checking if this for this particular current and clip, have I previously calculated the answer? If yes, just simply return that particular answer. If not, as I mentioned, two possibilities. You are going to paste without copying it. Since you are not copying it, just pasting the text, your operation cost will be 1 and your clip remain as it is, and your current size will increase by clip. So this is what I am particularly passing, right? There may be a second case, copy and paste. So basically in this particular case, as I told, your clipboard will be same as your current, and now your current is going to increase. It will become twice of current, right? So I am going to store at dp of current clip the minimum value of either simply pasting or copy pasting, right? So this is it. It will be running completely fine since already I have submitted this particular code, right? So let's talk about time complexity. It is order of n plus n square, I guess, in worst case, and the space complexity is certainly n square since we are taking n plus 1 cross n plus 1 2D vector, right? So yes, this is it. Since if we are going to simply pasting only, the maximum step I think we can calculate very easily. if they have asked, the maximum step will simply be a copy one time and paste n minus one time. It was as simple as that. So yes, this is it for today. So I was supposed to talk on this particular problem, but I think I have already made a video on this particular problem, so I am not going to talk about this particular problem, which is today's daily problem. So yes, this is it for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.